Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore once again the tools from Meshy AI. For those who still don't know it, Meshy's goal is to transform ideas into 3D models. Every piece we made in this video was created through the Meshy platform in a fast and practical way using artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. The first tool we're going to use is Text to 3D. In this process, everything starts with a text prompt. We describe the idea we want to create, and Nano Banana automatically generates an image based on that description. After that, Meshy itself uses this image as a reference to transform the concept into a complete 3D model. What's really interesting is watching this transformation happen. A written idea becomes an image, and shortly after, it turns into a three-dimensional object ready for editing, exporting, and printing. This workflow feels very intuitive and creative, especially for people who enjoy testing quick concepts or creating unique models without having to manually model everything from scratch. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of this process working in practice. Now let's move on to another really interesting tool, Image to 3D. Here the process works differently. Instead of using text, you upload a reference image, and the AI transforms that image into a three-dimensional model. This is extremely useful for turning visual concepts into physical objects quickly. You can use drawings, illustrations, characters, objects, and many other kinds of images as a base for creation. After that, the workflow continues normally, exporting the STL file, preparing it in slicing software, and moving on to 3D printing. Now let's take a look at some creations we made using the Image to 3D tool. Besides the generation tools, Meshy also has an area called Community Models. This library brings together thousands of models created by the platform's own community. You can search for references, download files, remix projects, and even use existing models as a starting point for new ideas. This creates a really interesting environment for anyone who likes exploring creativity and discovering different modeling styles. And honestly, it's very easy to spend hours browsing through this library because there are so many impressive creations there. Now I'm going to show you some community models and the printed results we got from them. Alright everyone, these were some of the tools we found inside Meshy platform. And honestly, it's really exciting to see how artificial intelligence keeps evolving within the world of 3D modeling. The platform continues receiving constant improvements, especially now with Meshy 6, which brings even more detailed results, more realistic textures, and increasingly higher quality models. If you'd like to check out the platform, I'll leave the link down in the video description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one.